self-care struggle is real. I'm gonna tell you ways that you can incorporate some self-care at home that are game-changing, that you can do with your toddler, whether they're awake, nap time, or bedtime. Because I'm cozy and comfy, and how you feel externally really changes how you feel internally. Dressing up for yourself at home, self-care. Good for the soul, good for the brain, good for the body. How cute. Is a tea combination, to be very specific. If a toddler likes it, it must be delicious. Remember, I'm a cool mom, not a regular mom. I feel like I don't have to tell you that self-care as a mom is really hard, but not impossible to squeeze in, which is why I wanted to share my top 10 favorite self-care things to do at home, and also suggest when I like to do it, if it's something achievable when your child is awake, if it's a good thing to do during nap time, or when to plan it, you know, accordingly to a schedule, or if it's something you should do when your toddler goes down to sleep. And I will say that this self-care video took course over a span of a week. Like, you're gonna see me in a ton of different outfits, a ton of different levels of tiredness, because we can't fit in like a full spa day every week. We do it when we can. Let's just hop right in. One of my first things that I love to do at home is a hair growth oiling treatment. To start out, I recommend 2 products, and one of them is rosemary oil. It's really great for hair growth. It is very strong, and so you're gonna wanna dilute it with another oil, and I'm using coconut oil for this, and I like to put the coconut oil on the ends of my hair, and then you focus kind of the mixture of coconut oil and rosemary oil just on your scalp. Leave it on for about 4 hours. So I don't like to sleep in this because I find rosemary oil to be really strong, and I don't like the scent of it. I like to secure it with kind of like a shower cap and leave it on for 4 hours, and I try to plan it during a nap time or like right before bedtime. So I would apply it maybe like 3 hours before a nap, wash off during nap time. If you're having like a nap struggle week, then I would suggest doing the 3-hour window before bedtime. If your child does not go down for a nap or bedtime right away, it's okay. You can leave this on technically overnight. It's not like you have to do it in 4 hours. I bought this big bottle of rosemary oil off Amazon. I'll link it down below. For the amount that you use and how big the bottle is, it lasts a long time, and it is pretty inexpensive for the results that you get. I see a lot of my like baby hairs coming out finally. It's really exciting. So if you struggle with like postpartum hair loss, or you just want healthier, thicker hair, I would incorporate this once, twice a week, whenever you can fit it in. As moms, our bodies are just so tired. I probably try to do this at least twice a week to just soak in an Epsom salt bath. You can get totally unscented. I know there's some additives in the scented ones. The one I have has a couple of things for like skin smoothing. I like this one a lot, so it's the one I go for, but you can just get plain Epsom salt. It's really good to relieve stress and also relieve tension in your muscles. Something like athletes use, and as mothers, I consider us athletes for how much we're lifting up a toddler and running around, and you know, our bodies really take a toll. I would suggest this once you have confirmed that your child has fallen asleep for the night. Again, you know, get that baby monitor ready, have the alerts on so you have peace of mind. If you really want to relax, I suggest pairing the Epsom salt bath after you kind of wash it off. Get out and put on magnesium lotion. I hadn't heard of magnesium lotion my entire life, and suddenly I'm hearing everyone talk about it. So I checked it out, and it really does relax those muscles. Really great before bedtime if you're having trouble sleeping, racing thoughts, or muscles. Next up is a foot massager. This can be a more pricier item. I got mine a couple years ago during a holiday sale, so I would look for when they go on sale. After the holidays, I feel like these would go on sale. I do sometimes use this when my daughter is awake. I'll show you how I kind of prepare that. The trick is to get this done with an awake toddler is to have something, yes, blue sun, very nice. Some mess-free markers that you can do together or they can do independently. I also have a book ready. Okay, mommy's gonna turn this on and you're gonna color, okay? So once mommy presses this button, it's gonna stay on. And now mommy's getting a very nice foot massage. And let's color the doggies, okay? Okay, mommy's feet are very comfy in here. This is a very nice thing for mommy. Yeah, you can pet it. You say, good foot massager. Thank you for taking care of mommy's feet. And color together. I think I'm going to get a green and I'm going to make my doggy green. Are you gonna make your doggy blue? Oh, that's nice. Definitely a great gift for yourself. I did it for myself. I suggest you doing it too if you have sore feet, which I think we all do. Right? Another thing I love to do really at any time of the day is a medicine ball. Now you can't go out and get it from Starbucks, but there is a way to make it at home. This is not at home, obviously, but this is a Starbucks medicine ball and you can make it really easy at home if you weren't lazy like me today. No, I actually have all of this stuff but lemonade. I'll show you what you need, but I'm leaving town, so I didn't want to grab a whole jug of lemonade. Essentially, what a medicine ball from Starbucks is a tea combination. To be very specific, it is the Tavana Peach Tranquility and the Tavana Jade Mint. Lemonade and a little bit of honey. So definitely something you can make at home. Very good for the cold weather. I hope you're watching this when it's cold outside, and especially if you're sick, hence the name medicine ball. Definitely recommend, 5 out of 5 stars. If you like tea, obviously a great way to self-care at home. You can do this obviously when your toddler's awake. My toddler actually likes the medicine ball, so I tend to cool a little bit off for her and give her a little bit too. If a toddler likes it, it must be delicious. Okay, the medicine ball is definitely like the PG daytime version. The alcohol version of it that I really like. So I would suggest, you know, doing this maybe family over or a holiday thing. I personally have a rule where like I don't drink alone. The hot toddy is the adult version, the nighttime version of the medicine ball. Pretty much it's hot water, whiskey, honey, lemon juice, and you can decorate it with a lemon round and a cinnamon stick. And it really is like the adult version of the medicine ball. I'm not like a big hot drink person. These are really the only 2 hot drinks I like, except for Glühwein, if I'm saying that correct. But I've only had a good version of that in Germany, and that's not really something you can do at home unless you have like your Glühwein grandma's recipe. But if you're someone that likes to wind down with a glass of wine in the wintertime, I would wind down with like a nice warm cup of a hot toddy. Remember, I'm a cool mom, not a regular mom. This next one is definitely an investment. It is an LED face mask. So mine does a multitude of colors, but really the red light therapy is what I use, or the blue light. So red light is for cell rejuvenation. There's a lot of great qualities using the red light. The blue light is more for antibacterial. If you're breaking out, I would suggest that one. But something about the red light really calms me. Like when I have it on, I don't like to open my eyes. It really is a time at night that I can just have 15 minutes of peace. I have definitely seen good glowing benefits from my skin from incorporating this into my routine. So it is worth the price tag if you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine for something you can do at home. Back to the coconut oil. Another thing I have been loving doing is in the morning for 15 minutes, I do oil pulling. There's a lot of great benefits for oil pulling, for oral health, teeth whitening. You do it before you brush your teeth, and it isn't that relaxing to have, I don't know, something about the initial putting coconut oil in your mouth, it's like not liquidy yet, really just sets me back. But once you start swishing it, which is like the pulling effect in your mouth, and it liquefies, it is better. Do not spit this down a drain because it will solidify and clog your drain. You're gonna want to throw this in the trash, which can be a little weird, but you can do this every single day. Incorporate it before you brush your teeth in the morning time. It definitely like has given me a cleaner mouth feeling. This next one I have talked about before, but it is so inexpensive, so easy to incorporate into your routine. It is an ice roller. I think it was like $8 from Amazon. You keep it in your freezer, and I like to use this in the morning to depuff. You can do this when your child's awake. They might be interested in it. They won't probably like it when they feel it on their face because it's really cold, but you can do this for like a minute. It's good to depuff, awake you, and close those pores. If you know me, you know I love to dress comfy, cute. There's something about wearing something you feel comfortable and good in. Comfy set number 1, we are sporty but like super cozy comfy. This set is from Aloe. This sports bra is Pop Flex. You can wear it open and like do like a long sleeve under it if you're going out. Zip it up. Ooh, cozy, comfy. Something about it, I don't know, like when you put this on, you just feel like more prepared for the day. Like I can do outings. I can document memories. I can handle a tantrum because I'm cozy and comfy, and how you feel externally changes how you feel internally. Let me show you another one. This is one you've definitely seen me in. I wear it all the time. This is from the Skims Cozy collection. I do like how they updated the pants. Now they have like zipper pockets, which only their velour joggers used to have, but they don't carry those anymore. I used to love that set. I still do. I would buy more, but their stuff never like re-comes out, which is annoying with them. But these are just like so comfy cozy. This is like, I sleep in this sometimes, but it's also cute. I've worn this to like the toddler gym when I take my daughter there. I always get compliments on it. We also have like a hood. I don't know. This, it's a splurge set, but I wear it probably 2 to 3 times a week. I don't know, with the pockets, it's just, there's this pocket. I'll show you another one. You could do something like this. This is definitely a little bit more fancy. They are silk pajamas from Beach Riot, and it's not like super wintry. It is their summer collection, but I always buy stuff on like the off season, so it's on sale. So these are expensive, but I think I got the set for $30 because I caught it last year's end of summer sale. But yeah, silk pajamas or silk-like pajamas, cozy, comfy. I mean, I wouldn't really leave the house in this one. The other ones I would, but I don't know, there's something about dressing up for yourself at home. Self-care. Good for the soul. Good for the brain. Good for the body. How cute. Should I show you another one? I will. This one you've definitely seen me in. This is by a brand called Mayfair. They make really cute stains and comfy sets. And I know a lot of you are probably scared of white with a toddler. I love white with a toddler because you see the stain so easily. I use Dreft stain remover and it gets stuff out. Even if you let it sit all day, it will come out. And this has patchwork, so if I do get stains, that's just mom life and you don't really notice it as much. Something like this is really great to throw on if like you're running errands and you're just gonna pop on pretty much any shoes. I wear Crocs with this, sneakers, Uggs, and you know, I wear this to the parent toddler, like preschool. I wear it to gym. I wear it all the time. I wear it in videos. I have no shame in an outfit repeater multiple times a week. If I find an outfit, I live in it. So like these are the ones I rotate in, except for the Beach Riot one is like more like if I had like a date or if I had like a special day with myself. I don't, you know, that's not like a
every single day. It's like a special day.
But essentially, I don't want you to feel guilty to take time for yourself, and I don't want you to feel like it's impossible to incorporate small bits of self-care here and there every day. You don't need like one full day. I mean, you definitely deserve one full day, but it doesn't always happen like that. I know. I would definitely love to hear from you guys what you like to do for self-care at home, or if you have any tips or tricks on things you found that really help you get through the minute, day, week, month of motherhood while still finding little bits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and enjoyed my tips, definitely give it a like. It helps out my channel so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Monday. Bye!